Okay, today is I have the video for recording today. Yes, so at the first I would like to respect to teacher and hello my dear classmate today and welcome today. Today is I stay safe and happy. I'm here. Yes, so right now I stay below a palm tree. Yes, today is the weather is so cool and have the hot. Okay, so today is I have the topic one that like to show and explain to everyone to know and get it enough. Okay, so the topic is giving simple introduction. Everyone we always to need in giving simple introduction when we meet friend or new people around us. Okay, yes, it is the very important before to communication. It really so important before to communication to other around you, around many people like living daily life. Yes, when we meeting first and we always to say hello guy, hello sir, and say good morning sir, good morning teacher, good morning my friend. Yes, that is the first word that many people like to say first meeting or make a group. Yeah, and we always to give feedback before introduction. Yeah, so right now before to introduction, before the example for new student and new day before start study at university, they always to have to provide information, contact with yourself. They always to say hello friend, today is I really so happy and give your name, all where you from, location. They always to talk to friend to know, right? Okay, so at workplace we all need to, and new work we always to have the introduction short or long time before to feedback to manager, supervisor. Okay, yes, we always to say the word please or thank you when we at the end before to meeting and complete everything before to feedback to other. Yeah, and giving simple introduction we always to need and use every daily life, and it's always to include before to communication with other, build communication, build trust and confidence more. And when we have the meeting discussion, make a group member. Okay, and then we always to improve about the communication relationship stronger and make a self-confident. Yes, and it always to make us to stay happy and beautiful day. Okay, and so right now before this video to come at the end, yes, thank you for watching my video today. Okay, goodbye.